It's Monday the 3rd of January, around 6:49. Just having a smoke, waiting for the bus. It's 7:23, Monday the 3rd. Waiting for the bus. We found a pastizzi bird. Pastizzi birds.
Bird brain.
It's around 11:15 on Tuesday the 4th. Waiting for the bus. Just had good coffee and a sandwich. It's not the weirdest thing. There's a spill on the ground of water and it looks like a shadow. Look at it. So weird. Bizarre. Anyway, bye. It's the 6th of January, Thursday, waiting for the bus. Huh? Okay. So we've come back to the old house because there's some more stuff to pick up. But I think someone needs to call the Wilderness Society or something, because just look at this. It's growing out of the witch's hat. Amazing. Unbelievable. In the suburbs, where all fresh things grow. But yeah, fun times.